How to use Jasper AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So Jasper AI helps you with the marketing of your company, and you have to create an account on it first of all. You can also get a demo if you want, and initially if you want to check it out you can start a free trial and it is for 7 days, and after that you can start using it up. In case if you like it up, you can sign up for the subscription of it, the monthly subscription. And if you want to check out the prices, let's check it out. So the monthly prices is $69 for one seat, and it is for the pro version, and you can add around 5 people to it with one seat. And if you are going with the creator mode, then you have to pay around $49 per month, and for both the versions you can start a 7-day free trial. And if you are a business, you can contact the sales in order to check out and see more options available to you in case if you are a business. Now if your needs are getting fulfilled by these options, then you can go with them as well. Now let's get back and check out the features of Jasper AI. First of all, you would have to create an account, and after that the first thing that you need to do is add the brand voice to your channel or your marketing team. For that, just simply go to the left hand side panel of your Jasper AI, and here you get this section of voice and tone. Just simply click on it, and after that you need to provide the tone to Jasper AI, the kind of tone that you want to use while interacting with your customers, like the welcoming, positive, confident. So just provide a tone to Jasper AI, so whenever the content is created using the Jasper AI, the same tone will be used. And we can set some more parameters to it, like the knowledge base. Under knowledge base, you would have to upload the white papers of your company and some other details of your company, like your website, and Jasper AI will scan your website and gather as much information about your brand and your company as possible. And this way it would be able to understand your company in a better way, so it can help you with the marketing in more efficient manner. And you can also add the style guide, that the way it will use the grammar and punctuations and all sort of details while doing the marketing for your team and creating the content for it. And in order to create the content, just simply click on this option of create new content on Jasper AI, and you would be able to create new content. You can also make changes to the content created quite easily. You can also add up to the content quite easily. And there are some more features where you can manage your time in a more efficient way, and it can provide a good efficiency for the workflow of your company. And this way you would be able to utilize the Jasper AI to its fullest. And Jasper AI don't just focus on the faster outputs, but also helps you perform in a better output and give you the better output, so you perform as better as a company. So even if you give less efforts yourself, then it would be fine, as AI will be doing the work and your company should be running fine in the marketing department. And it is a good boost to your marketing department, by the way. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.